When I developed Blue Square Pizza, I wanted to reduce as much friction as possible for both the employee and the consumer. One of the most defining things that I decided to do was bring in AI software to answer my phone calls. I had a pretty big problem here that needed to be solved. The phone would ring incessantly. I would have a line of customers and they had to wait for the counter person to get off the phone. And then the phone would ring and we'd have to not answer the phone so we could help the line. And this created a lot of issues from a service standpoint. So when SoundHound became available as an integration within my POS, I immediately made the call.
Welcome to Blue Square Pizza. I can answer questions or take your order. What can I get started for you?
Yeah, I would like a large New York style sausage and onion pizza.
I have added a large New York style sausage and onion pizza. Can I get you anything else?
That's it.
SoundHound handles about 90% of every incoming phone call. It's able to transact and take the order and answer basic questions about the business. Now my employees don't feel overwhelmed on a Friday night. The customer can place their order seamlessly. They don't experience the phone just ringing and ringing and ringing without an employee picking up. There's been an economic benefit from SoundHound as well, not just through increased sales. I've saved about 11 hours a week in labor for the counter. So that saves about $200 a week in labor, close to 11 grand a year. And what that allows me to do is actually train my employees to do other things. So not just counter. The counter person runs the wing station, salad station. They're repurposed to really focus on the product and giving better customer service for the customers that do come in because they don't have to feel rushed. It's phenomenal.